Hey all, it's early March here in upstate New York, and we have been blessed with an amazingly beautiful day today. It's about 60 degrees Fahrenheit, snow is melting, and I'm itching to get working on this car. So I'm not going to let this day go to waste. I got a few hours. So what I've been doing is shampooing the carpets. I apologize for the light, it's not the greatest. I'll give you a quick overview of what I'm doing. So I have here a Bissell little green clean machine. If you folks have not seen one of these before and you like to keep your carpets clean, buy one of these. It's the greatest thing ever. It's vacuum operated. It's got a wand, sprays the cleaning fluid, and then you just scrub it. And then this same wand sucks it up. And as you can see, so far, that's some filthy water. So this is doing a good job. So I'll go over my process real quick for how I do it. I am not Ammo NYC. But this is how I do it. So for regular cleaning, I use the Bissell heavy duty antibiotic or antibacterial formula for the carpets. Spray it on really good. And then for the carpets, I use this, basically a brush on a drill set for slow. This is a fairly soft brush, and I just work the suds into the carpet a little bit. And then I use the green machine to suck it all up, and you saw the results. Now for upholstery, I did have some grease stains on here, and what I did was I used this. This is a 4-in-1 dilution of simple green. And I simply sprayed that on the stains, and then I used one of these. This is a surgeon's nail brush. This is what they use to clean their hands before surgery. Not only does it have a whole bunch of really small bristles, they're pretty soft too, and they get into things, but they don't damage the upholstery. So I simply spot sprayed it where I needed to. That's just dirt. Rubbed it in, and then used the clean machine to suck it up, and it took those stains out in a jiff. So for the velour material, which is probably the most fragile, I used this detailer's brush, sprayed it with the cleaner, worked it in really well, and it sudsed up really nice and cleaned it, got all the dirt stains out of it. So I'm about partway through the car, and I want to get this done, so I will finish it up, and then I'll bring you back when I'm done. Alright, after about an hour's worth of work, I'm done for now. Took care of all the carpeting in the car, took care of the seats where they were stained with grease, took care of the velour material on this door where it had some dirt, as well as the passenger or the driver's seat, because that was the dirtiest seat. It had a little bit of dirt. And as you can see from my afternoon's work, there was a lot of dirt. But I mean, you have to say, this car is in astonishingly good condition. It really was clean to begin with. I was lucky that there was no mouse piss or poo or any of that other kind of stuff in here. The mice never got in, which is awesome. So that's it for today. Later this week, it's going to be in the 60s, and I'm hoping to get the tires on the car this week. So look forward to another video later. For the two of you who really care about this, thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you later.